messages from your deceased loved one. I am so proud of you. You are finally showing the world who you really are. I knew you had it in you. I knew you were a star. Now everyone will get to see what you are made of. Your confidence has grown so much. And I look down on you and I am so honored that I was a part of your life. You deserve everything that you have worked so hard for. And the best is yet to come. I loved you so much and I still do. Whenever you want to be near me, just close your eyes and think of me. I'm never far. I will never leave you. You need to start taking care of yourself more though. You need to start doing things that make you happy. You need to start doing things that make you feel good. Try and find a hobby. Try and find things to do. I don't want you to keep going over what happened. I know it was hard, and it was hard for me too to leave you. But I don't want you to suffer anymore. Just know that I'm near you, always. And when you do dream of me, that's me communicating with you. I know that you think about me all the time. And I know that you think you could have done something different. But trust me, even if we went back into time, you will still have the same outcome. I don't want you to stay stuck anymore. And I don't want you to feel guilty. You gave me your all. I couldn't even ask for any much more, to be honest with you. And you have so much abundance that is coming your way. You are so deserving of the best. And the universe has seen what you went through and what you are going through. And that's why you're going to get everything that you desire and that you deserve. So don't stop. Don't give up on yourself. Don't feel guilty. It's time for you to move forward. It's time for you to gain everything that you are so deserving of. I want you to travel the world. I want you to connect with different people. I want you to enjoy life again. I don't want you to stay stagnant and stuck. I don't want you to care about what others think of you. I want you to do what's best for you. You can get so caught up in your mind about wanting the best for yourself, but thinking about what other people will think. I know how you felt about me. I know how you still feel about me. And what happened was devastating to you and me both. But it happened for a change. A change for you. Things couldn't remain the way that they were. I want you to move forward and find new love. Find new passions. I want you to fall in love with yourself again. Or fall in love with yourself for the first time. I want you to see how amazing you truly are. How brilliant you truly are. You will go on to have an amazing family. And the family that you have or that we had together will be okay. You're doing brilliantly. You were my family and you will forever be my family. I know it's painful for you, and trust me, I've seen the hurt and pain that you've gone through. But I've also seen the bright future that is waiting for you. You will find love again. You will be happy again. It may not seem like it now, but you're such an amazing soul. And I'm so honored and blessed to have experienced you. You're one of a kind. They don't make much people like you. You always said I was an earth angel, but you are truly a walking earth angel. But now it's time to bless others with your light. Now it's time to uplift yourself and become the best version of yourself. Now it's time to show the world who you are. Now it's time to express your creativity. Now it's time to express your love for yourself and to others. Me leaving you was part of our story. And just because I'm not here physically anymore doesn't mean I'm not here in spirit. Me leaving you was part of your transformation. Me leaving you was to make you live.